How to add tag on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add tag on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click here on your profile. Now click complete your profile and here just click add tag and now just select any tag you want like this one and then click save, and you can change it again and you can add any tag you want. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.